Peace be with you and happy feast of Saint Cyril of Jerusalem, Bishop and Doctor of the Church. Saint Cyril was born in Jerusalem. He was ordained a priest and eventually became the Bishop of Jerusalem. As bishop, he fostered Jerusalem as a central pilgrimage site for the whole of Christendom, guiding both clergy and laity and promoting unity and deep understanding of Christian beliefs. Cyril was deeply compassionate and committed to aiding the needy. During famines in Jerusalem, he sold church goods to feed the poor, exemplifying his selfless care for the vulnerable in his community. Cyril faced political challenges under Emperor Valens. In 367, a decree of Valens led to the exile of many bishops, including Cyril. He remained in exile until 378, following the death of the oppressive ruler. After returning, he worked tirelessly to restore peace and unity within the church. Cyril passed away in Jerusalem. His profound influence on catechesis, church unity, and Christian living led to his beatification around the 8th century and canonization in 1883. Wow! Saint Cyril, please pray for us and pray for the world peace. Jesus, we trust in you. May God bless you and your beautiful family. See you all soon!